Hello again and welcome to today's video. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to use the patterns feature, which you can find over here in the features menu. In particular, we're going to actually click on that little down arrow there and we're going to create a circular pattern. Alright, before we begin to create a circular pattern, we're going to need an axis that we can make the pattern around or about. Because this is a circular extrude here, there's actually an axis right up the middle there. So what we can do is we can use that axis as a reference point, and this is the feature here, this sweep that is going to be patterned. To do this, we need to go and turn on temporary axis view. So this is the visibility menu, and this shows you what parts of the drawing can be seen and can't be seen. And so if we click that little arrow there, you'll see here there is a view temporary axis. I'm going to tick that and then click off. And you'll see now that the temporary axis down the center of that circle has appeared. Okay, now creating the revolved pattern. We click on the little down arrow from the linear pattern setting here, and we'll choose a circular pattern. Under direction 1, we will need to provide an axis in which the pattern will be rotated around. So I'll just click in here and then I'll select the temporary axis. The next thing we need to do is select the features and faces to create the circular pattern with. So that now in this case I can come across here and I can choose the feature straight off of the drawing, or I can expand the little flyout menu here and I can choose the feature out of the history tree. Now you can see a yellow preview showing roughly what that pattern is going to look like. So what I want to do here is I actually want to create 4 of these. So I'm going to place the number 4 in this box here. This is the instances, number of instances box. And over here we can actually select an amount of degrees. In this case we could, if we wanted to, tell it that the amount of degrees is 360, but we don't need to do that because SolidWorks also gives us the option for equal spacing. Now if you take a look at the preview there, we've got our yellow lines showing a preview of where that revolved pattern will go, or that circular pattern will go. And this is exactly what I wanted. I'll go ahead and click the tick or OK, and you'll see there my circular pattern has been completed. So there it is. That's how you create a circular pattern using SolidWorks. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll be following up with some more interesting videos in the future. So please keep watching, and I'll see you in the next one.